When does agriculture become effective? We think that it happens when the responsibility of agricultural machinery manufacturer gains confidence of agrarians. To see the problems of the agricultural world from the point of view of people involved in this business, to put their interest on the first place, these values form the basis of our work. That's why our machinery meets customers' expectations for more than 80 years. More than 2.5 million of agricultural machines, including hundreds of thousands of forage harvesters and dozens of thousands of grain harvesters, that's the result of our work during these years. We do our job for those who provide growing population of our planet with food. Good balance of price, quality and productivity opens access to world markets for our machinery. Every year we widen our sales geography. We are known in different countries, continents. We are Gomselmash. To work for concrete customer, always care about his profit. These standards enter into force from the first development phases of new machinery. Virtual view let our specialists gain a high precision impressions of how the machine will perform. Modern tools used by our designers provide a possibility to advance from virtual model to prototype sample within the shortest period of time. Complex field tests carried out in various soil climatic zones help us to reassure we have made an adequate choice. In such complicated machine as a combine harvester, we have to provide cooperation of all systems and devices. That's why we decided once and forever. We manufacture basic units and machine components all by ourselves. A full range of flexible production technologies enables us to solve this problem. As a result of our up-to-date technological base, we manufacture different types of farming machinery. In the meantime, we provide a high quality level and maintain reasonable prices for our products. If you want something done right, do it yourself. Following this approach while manufacturing, our company performs the whole technological cycle. Using the best equipment, we smelt high-strength iron and steel. We also produce non-ferrous metals casting. In collaboration with scientists, we create new engineering materials with unique characteristics. You can see impressive and effective performance of the programmable equipment at each manufacturing stage. We invest in modern process systems and choose equipment from leading global producers. Today we use this equipment at our blade production, and the same approach is used in mechanical processing. Here we widely use multifunctional machines, highly productive machining centers with side-speed machine tools and automatic control systems, centers for complex processing of composite structures. Manufacturing of assembly components on high-precision equipment makes it possible to provide about 90 types of mechanical operations used in machine production. But accuracy of manufacturing is only a part of successful and reliable performance of our mechanisms. That's why we use integrated thermochemical treatment process to improve reliability and strengthen critical parts. Still, we use a special technology that guarantees production of hard-wearing surfaces without any deformations. Quality is our main priority, following which we create and introduce projects on development of our technological base. We are constantly improving our welding process. Our painting process was massively upgraded, painting with robots, heavy-duty primers, powder paints and water-based enamels. High quality of manufacturing process is one of conditions providing highly reliable and stable operating of our machines in the fields. This correlation is obvious and it defines main directions of our work. We are Gomselmash. We produce a wide range of combine harvesters and other agricultural machines under the brand PALESSE. PALESSE means 75 basic models and about 70 types of implements. Each farming business, from a little private farm to a large agricultural holding, may choose the most appropriate and effective model for definite working conditions. Grain harvesting combines PALESSE are 3 models of traditional single drum type with productive capacity of 5, 8 and 10 kilos of grain mass per second, and 3 models of double drum type with productive capacity of 12, 14, 16 kilos per second. Using of headers with various widths, pickups and special implements, the machinery under the brand PALESSE harvests all types of harvested crops. For severe harvesting condition, we manufacture models with all-wheel drive with dual wheels track mounted. In recent years, Gomselmash also became famous as a manufacturer of self-propelled corn ear harvesters assembled in China. Forage harvesting combines PALESSE are 6 basic models of self-propelled machines with capacity from 235 to 600 horsepower and 1 pull-type model. They may be equipped with implements for grass and drought-stamped crops harvesting. Pull-type and mounted machinery PALESSE also includes swath headers, mowers with different types of mounting, and 2 rows potato harvesting combines. In order to provide high level of operating efficiency of PALESSE machines, we have organized a wide network of dealer and service centers with spare parts stocks. Wherever the machinery operates, we'll provide our customers with quick and qualified maintenance. We keep inside every sold machine during its operating period. Today, we manufacture our machines taking into account special features and preferences of different markets. Every year, the quantity of countries using agricultural machinery PALESSE is increasing. We are always close to the customers. We are Gomselmash.